Assalamu alaikum everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video I'm going to show you a $30 MacBook bag which is waterproof and also very cool looking. Let's see. So there is two color difference, like there is two color version. One is black and another one is like off-white, which is like almost white. So I purchased the black one. The bag name is MOSISO. So this is a very popular brand. They actually make bags for particularly for laptops and for like business purposes, like office bags. So let me enter my MacBook first. So like all the accessories you require to carry a MacBook, like its adapter. So this is the adapter. Also like extra USB cable with C type, and also like C type to multiple HD my connection is, and like my mouse. So you can see that it's like easily fit into the bag, and also it looks very dashing, and also the handle is feels so premium. So this is it. Hope you guys like the video. Thanks for watching.